Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth, and I am so super excited for what QVC is doing right now. This has nothing to do with me. I'm just so excited about it I call her she doesn't know I call her this, but I call her my work soul sister. I work with Kerstin Lindquist on a regular over at QVC. She is one of the main hosts, and I'm one of the guest hosts. Hi, Lindsay. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining today. And she is seriously my heart and soul. We have so very much in common, and her desire to encourage people to live out their faith, hi Diana, is really something that has always been so important to me. And I am just beyond excited that QVC, hi Ricky, guys, thanks so much for joining today, has embraced this and has started a channel called Plus.QVC.com. There's an app, or you can just go to the website directly. You can also get it on your Roku. There's so many different things, and so many of my friends, Kylie Watts, and I could go on naming a ton of people. Zen with Jen, she does a yoga class. Like, there's so many cool things that are on this new app. And Kerstin Lindquist launched today 30 Days of Grace. Now, you all know for the last, 8 years, I have done a 30-day or a 31-day journey where we've done things for writing your goals and the daily threes and gratitude and Bible verses and all kinds of things. Well, this fall, I'm not doing it because I just have too much on my plate. But Kerstin Lindquist and QVC are doing 30 Days of Grace on the PlusQVC app. And tonight, Kerstin is launching something that I have been using for a very long time. My kids use it. My husband uses it. I have friends that use it. Back in around Christmas time, Kerstin launched a journal and Bible set. It was an NIV journal, and then a gratitude or daily journal, faith-based journal. And these journals are awesome because they have, first of all, they have regular, beautiful journal pages, but then they also have Bible verses and then additional prompts. And if you followed me here long enough, you know I have journals everywhere. I have my promptly journals. I have my Erin Condren guided journals. I have my blank notebooks. I love my journals. I love to brain drop my thoughts and write down my gratitude and my daily threes every single day. So Kerstin has put together her own guided journals, and they're beautiful. Well, initially they just were in the sets of the Bible and the journal together, but now you're able to get a set of 3 of just the journals, which is so exciting because, you didn't want to have to necessarily buy a Bible with every single journal. So this is what the set of 3 actually looks like. I personalized mine already because I got this. I bought the sets of journals and Bibles, and this is nothing to do with me. This is like my own personal purchases. This is not an ad. I'm not an affiliate, nothing. I just love Kerstin so much. I love that QVC is doing this, and I want you to know about it, and I want you to know about what I'm using in my daily life. So this is my Bible journal set that stays in my Bible basket along with my planner. I showed that at the beginning of the year. If you want to check out my YouTube video on it, you can see that over at YouTube or even on my blog at bymeganelizabeth.com. But I personalized mine. I personalized all the kids. And now this is what the set of 3 looks like. So the interiors of all 3 of these are the same. But the gray one has the gratitude is strategy, which it is. Hi, Michelle. This is the teal. Hi, Julie. And it says Shine Bright. I love this one. I love the foil in it. And I'm just going to walk you through a couple of the things that are in here. We'll look at the pink one first before we do that. The pink one says Faith Over Fear. I love this. And again, these are the journals, so they all have a very similar or same thing inside. But it's nice to have the set. And look how beautiful they look sitting next to each other on a bookshelf. You could even lay them on a coffee table. They're beautiful. I love how they go together. So the gratitude is strategy. So again, Bible verses throughout, and then the prompts. Okay, so it's kind of a deeper daily 3, but it's really meant to be done in under 10 minutes in a day. So it's things you're grateful for, which I'm always my daily 3s. Okay, we'll go over my daily 3s for a second here. Are the 3 things I'm grateful for or thankful for. It's a daily 3 or a tag. Thankful, action, goals every day. So the 3 things you're thankful for, the 3 action items or to-dos that you're committed to getting done that day. It doesn't have to be extravagant, huge chompers of action items or goals. Sometimes my action items include things like take a nap. Sometimes it's get a shower. Sometimes it's just seeing that you're taking action every single day that propels the momentum to move you forward towards the bigger goals and dreams. And then I write those 3 bigger goals and dreams every single day. So create a more loving, joyful, peaceful home environment. Create peace in our life. Maybe it's a financial goal. Maybe it's an earnings goal to be financially free, independent. Maybe it is a specific goal on a specific number, or it's a health goal. Maybe not necessarily to lose a certain amount of weight, but maybe it's to get blood sugar at a certain level, or to get X number of hours of sleep at night, or to make sure you take your vitamins every single day, or whatever it would be. So I'm super excited that Kerstin is using Bible verses and encouragements along the lines of what my heart and soul desires. I love her new Studio Part collection that came out. I actually should pull out my sweatshirt. It says eat, sleep, and move. Those are the 3 things that I work with my coach Erin on all the time and talk about often is eating well, nourishing the body, sleeping right to rejuvenate, restore your mind and your body, and moving your body to help it out. Hi, Deborah. Good morning. Thanks for joining. Okay, so back to Kerstin's. So those are my daily 3s, but she has things you're grateful for. Prayers, so things that are on your heart or you want to give over to God or ask of God or whatever it would be. What you're excited about, which is always like such a great thing to be thinking about, like things that you're actually excited about right now going on in your life. What you're stressed out about, which I feel like sometimes we focus more on the things that we're stressed out about than the things that we're excited about. It just kind of can be our human nature from time to time. So being able to write out both and choosing which one you're going to reflect more on, that's powerful. How you will react. Ugh, that's I know how I want to react to things, but we don't always, do we? We react in ways that are very in the moment and impulsive. When we take the time to put pen to paper, how we want to react to things, it starts to encourage that reaction to happen more naturally. Things you need to give to God and someone you can serve today. Whether it's just holding the door open or giving somebody a smile or sending a text message to say, hey, I'm thinking about you. I love that she has that all written out and you can just fill it in and it's done very quickly. So you still have the next day has that kind of blank page to write all your brain drops and then your prompts again the next day. So you can write every day. The date, Kerstin says to write where you're at. Definitely the date is helpful. I'm a big one for that too. Having the date just so you can look back and know when it was and what you're reflecting on is so cool. And it's just such a great set. It's at a great price for today for its launch. It'll launch at, I believe, 6 p.m. tonight. I will be heading into studio to support Kerstin in this, but I won't be on air or anything. You won't see me. And again, this is really nothing to do with me other than my heart's desire to see people really make a life that they love. She makes her life. And Kerstin has that goal of helping people develop and live in their faith or live out their faith, which is incredible. And I cannot believe QVC is doing this 30 days of grace. Perfect timing since I'm not doing one this fall, just because I'm not in the place that I know I could go all in and do it and lead well for others. But I will continue to do She Makes Club throughout the fall on the second Sunday of every month. So if you want to talk about some of these things and make a life we love together and craft and enjoy the Cricut and the different things that we're doing, the best place to follow me and to be a part of that community and that conversation and actually learning how to make things and be inspired by scrapbooking and journaling together is inside She Makes Club. So come on over and visit us. It's www.shemakes.club. I would love to have you be part of that family and that community as we continue to move forward in this 2022 year. I cannot believe we're already starting the school year here and we're moving forward into a new year before we know it. I just can't believe it. September 1st already. So we're we're at the tail end here of 2022, going into what will be a fantastic new year. But we don't have to wait for the new year to set some goals and to make a life that we love. We can start today. Enjoy the moments, guys. Bye.